Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into something truly special. A car that beautifully blends nostalgia with modern innovation. Say hello to the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, you heard that right. Volkswagen has officially revived one of its most iconic and elegant nameplates, and it's making waves across the automotive world. First introduced in the 1950s, the original Karmann Ghia quickly became a symbol of stylish motoring. It wasn't about raw power or blazing speed. It was about grace, curves, and timeless design. And now, in 2025, VW has brought that magic back with a contemporary twist. The new Karmann Ghia isn't just a tribute to the past. It's a full-blown reinterpretation that captures the spirit of the original while embracing the demands of the modern world. Built on Volkswagen's MEB electric platform, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is fully electric, offering zero-emissions driving without sacrificing fun or flair. With a range of around 300 miles on a full charge and dual-motor all-wheel drive options, this car isn't just about looking good. It performs with confidence too. Acceleration is smooth and surprisingly quick, taking you from 0 to 60 mph in just under 5 seconds in the higher trim. But don't expect aggressive styling or loud bravado. This car is all about subtlety, sophistication, and that iconic coupe silhouette. Visually, the design team nailed the retro-modern balance. The 2025 Ghia features flowing lines and rounded fenders that nod to its heritage, yet everything feels refreshed and refined. LED lighting, flush door handles, and a sleek coupe profile keep things futuristic, while still unmistakably Karmann Ghia. The classic VW round badge remains up front, but everything else is reimagined to fit today's standards. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that is just as stylish as the exterior. Minimalist yet premium, the cabin uses sustainable materials, a fully digital cockpit, and a panoramic glass roof that adds an airy, upscale vibe. There's a mix of classic-inspired details, like chrome accents and retro-style air vents, with cutting-edge tech like a 15-inch infotainment screen, advanced voice control, and over-the-air software updates. The seating is surprisingly roomy. For a coupe, with enough comfort and support to make long drives a joy. Safety and driver assistance features are top-tier, as expected in a 2025 model. From adaptive cruise control to autonomous emergency braking and lane-keeping assist, the new Ghia is fully equipped for modern roads. Volkswagen has made it clear that the 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't just a design exercise, it's a love letter to a legendary car rebuilt for a new era. It's aimed at drivers who appreciate design, sustainability, and a dash of romantic motoring. Pricing starts in the mid-$40,000 range, putting it right in line with other stylish EVs, but few offer the blend of history, emotion, and innovation that this car delivers. Thanks for watching. If you love retro revivals and electric innovation, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.